In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add filters to a category page in Wix Studio if you're looking to enhance your Wix site by providing your visitors with a more refined browsing experience. These steps will guide you in integrating dynamic filters effectively. To get started on this process, we need to first open your Wix Studio editor. Begin by navigating over to the Wix Studio website at studio.wix.com. Once you're there, sign in and select the specific site you wish to edit. After doing so, click on Edit Site to enter the editor interface where all the magic happens. With your editor open, the next area of focus is your category page. From the Pages panel on the left, locate and open your category shop or collection page. This might be labeled as Shop, Collection, or Category, depending on how you've set things up. It's essential to ensure that your product gallery on this page is connected to your store collection, which acts as the dataset for your products. Now, connecting the filters to your product dataset is crucial. Start by selecting your product gallery or repeater if that's what you're using. Look over to the right-hand side where the Connections panel resides. Here, confirm that your product gallery is linked to your store dataset, something like a products dataset. Move on to selecting the filter element itself, and then click Connect to Data. When you configure this, choose the same dataset, the products dataset. You'll then need to decide what fields the filter will control. For instance, a price range filter should connect to the price field, while a color dropdown should be linked to the color field, and so on. Next, step into customizing your filter design for a look and feel that aligns with your site's aesthetic. Wix Studio offers various customization options. You can change the colors, fonts, or even the style of the buttons. Consider switching the layout to a horizontal bar, a sidebar, or drop-downs based on your design preference. Additionally, you can rename the labels to something more intuitive, such as filter by price or sort by category, to create clarity for your site visitors. Remember, consistent styling across your site promotes a professional appearance and supports brand identity. Once you've set these parameters, it's important to test the filters to ensure they operate smoothly. Click on Preview in Wix Studio and try selecting different filters. Watch for instant updates on your product list based on the chosen criteria to confirm everything works as expected. Finally, once you're satisfied with the results, it's time to save and make these changes official. Click Save first and then proceed by hitting Publish Site. With this, your category page is now equipped with functional dynamic product filters, enhancing user interaction and potentially boosting sales. Happy editing!